Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing the Benefit Cosmetics 2022 product advent calendar, and it comes in this adorable little box. I also wanted to share with you guys the Christmas card that they sent me. I thought it was really cool. And on the inside it says, you received this card because you are empowering. Benefit is all about sending love this season to those who empower us most, moms, sisters, besties, and everyone in between. This card represents a $5 donation to Planned Parenthood, a proud Benefit partner, so that they can continue to provide healthcare services, sex education, and vital resources to anyone in need. And then it came with some super empowering stickers, and it says, to a babe who gets it done, who isn't afraid to roar, I love you and your rights a million. Now let's fight for a shit ton more. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was super cool, sending a great message, super empowering, and yeah, let's jump into the advent calendar. So on the front here, it says, Sincerely Yours, Beauty. And opening it up, the box is so adorably cute. And inside is your advent calendar product box. And I thought it was so cute. Over here, it says special delivery. And it's a little postcard that says, hello, gorgeous. So super cute. Happy holidays from your beauty BFF. And then we're going to open up each little P.O. box and see what product is inside. All right, so sliding out number 1. Super cute little Benefit wrapping paper. That is so adorable. And inside P.O. Box number 1 is a mini travel size Precisely My Brow Pencil. P.O. Box number 2 is a roller liner eyeliner. P.O. Box number 3 is a Bad Gal Bang mini mascara. P.O. Box number 4 is a mini travel size professional primer. P.O. Box number 5 is a mini travel size 24-hour brow setter. P.O. Box number 6 is a They're Real Magnet Mascara. P.O. Box number 7 is a mini Dandelion Blush. P.O. Box number 8 is a Professional Hydrating Primer. P.O. Box number 9 is a mini Gimme Brow Plus. P.O. Box number 10 is a mini Hoola Bronzer. P.O. Box number 11 is a mini They're Real Mascara. And last but not least, P.O. Box number 12 is a roller lash mascara. And that is it for this year's Benefit Advent product calendar. Super cute little box if you want to keep something in it, and this makes the perfect Christmas or holiday gift. I just want to say a big thank you to Benefit for sending me this advent calendar to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye you guys.